After using the range hood for a period of time, a lot of oil will stick to the impeller. As a result, the smoking resistance of the range hood becomes greater. This in turn affects noise and suction. Traditional cleaning is time-consuming and laborious. It didn't work very well. After continuous exploration by Midea engineers, inspired by high-temperature cleaning of aircraft engines, inspired the invention of steam washing. Start the steam engine with one click. Innovative research and development and hot water steam generators. Realize high temperature and high pressure steam at 110 degrees Celsius, 360 degrees shooting without dead ends. The cleaning rate of steam oil pollution is 99.1%. Easily say goodbye to oil pollution. Efficient cleaning with excellent technology. Beauty Steam Wash. A range hood that can wash itself.